Buongiorno a tutti e benvenuti
Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the last appointment of the IMA Webinars 2021 series. This is the fourth seminar of the year, and I would say it's been a quite difficult one, but certainly also full of challenges. I'm glad that this webinar takes place at the end of the year because I'm really happy to be able to wish you happy holidays in person, which is not something to be taken for granted in this period. It is also an opportunity to launch a new hashtag for the new year, since 2022 marks 45 years of activity at IMA, so we think that the hashtag 45 years as protagonists is the most appropriate slogan for the year to come. We also think that this is a good opportunity to underline our long experience in the cutting room. It's not 50 years yet, but given the situation, we'd like to give once again a message of great positivity to celebrate with you a goal that is actually a moment of transition between 40 and 50 years of the company. As I pointed out, we have reached the last appointment of the 2021 series of seminars, which will certainly continue in 2022, given the success of the format. This time, we decided to focus on a definitely complex sector, denim and composite materials. But as usual, IMA is there and is always ready to improve, to look ahead. So even in this area, we have studied and found appropriate solutions through development and research on specific software and hardware. I'll keep it short and leave the floor to Mr. Gaetano Nicolacci, one of our sales manager, to get to the core of the matter. I wish you a fruitful webinar, and I will see you later on for the final greetings.
Buongiorno a tutti e benvenuti al quarto IMA
Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the fourth IMA Webinar 2021. IMA, in its first 45 years of life, has always stood out for its great desire to innovate and push its own limits. It is for this reason that we decided to include in the same meeting the production of denim and composite fabrics. These two textile sectors are apparently very different, but have in common a great complexity in the production phase, especially in the cutting room. IMA, in recent years, has developed and implemented many technical specifications applied throughout the processing cycle, which have allowed our customers to increase their productivity while maintaining the quality of the product, also allowing us to be able to lay and cut materials that were unthinkable until recent times. Composite fabrics are bringing a real revolution in all production sectors and are characterized by great strength, lightness, and versatility, features that require specifically developed machines. Thanks to this effort, IMA is now present in many new sectors, from the nautical industry to the aeronautical one, from the production of industrial filters to the cutting of thermal and acoustic insulation materials. Thank you for your attention, and now I will leave the floor to our cut system manager.
Buongiorno a tutti. I nostri clienti che operano
Good morning, everyone. Our customers in the denim and composite industries traditionally have very different needs for pattern-making softwares. Maxima is able to meet the needs of both productions thanks to its completeness in every aspect, from pattern design to pattern placing. Denim companies are always looking for maximum efficiency in the marker making. These productions are always characterized by very long markers. For this reason, every single decimal of efficiency gained thanks to the multi-core nesting algorithm translates at the end of the year in hundreds of meters of fabric saved. Maxima's automatic marker nesting software is one of the most efficient and time-efficient available on the market. On the other hand, the productions of companies operating in the composite sectors are characterized by simple shapes and they are often without a size plan. In this sense, one of the needs most demanded by our customers in these sectors consists in being able to import into the CAD files coming from other industrial design programs such as AutoCAD. With Maxima, this is possible, thanks to the specifically developed importer, in addition to all the other importers available, in order to read the models in their native format. And now I leave the floor to Donato, who will tell you about our machines. Thank you.
Buongiorno a tutti.
Good morning, everyone. Currently, denim fabrics are characterized by the traditional strength of the material, combined with a great elasticity dictated by the trends of the moment. These aspects require great performances of the automatic cutting machine, but also spreading that must be done without changing the tension of the fabric. Both types of production are always characterized by very high figures and very stressed machines during the entire processing cycle. Starting from the loading of the piece, we have developed two types of loaders. The 805 is the inclined multiple loader for the loading of heavy pieces up to a maximum of 400 kilograms. The solid metal structure is equipped with a motorized lifting system that, by means of special curved supports mounted on the chain, lifts the roll of fabric up to the cradle of the spreader. The operator controls the movement by means of a special remote control. The 808 is the carousel for the automatic change of pieces on spreaders, available in three versions, with or without rear plans for the preloading and unloading of the pieces. The loading capacity is of 200 kilograms, and the version 10 is equipped with the self-feeding system, patented by IMA, with double loading and unloading table with sequences up to 8 pieces. In this way, the rolls will be loaded on the machine and laid in an automatic way, avoiding waste of time and ensuring the management of the spreading to a single operator. Laying has always been the distinctive feature of IMA. The 890H version is the perfect machine for denim producers. It is built maintaining all the hardware and software specifications of the other machines, to which we have added a much more robust structure, allowing the spreading of even the heaviest pieces of denim. There is also an optional feature for the drafting of the folded packs. It is a standard element without pliers, but it is available with the optional feature at the request of the customers. As for composite fabrics, we have studied an evolution of the Model B. Together with all these specifications already present, we have added other ones to ensure the highest quality and efficiency in spreading. Some of these are the double motor in the cutter, to cut even the most rigid materials, such as carbon fiber, the increased opening for very bulky fabrics, such as fiberglass, glass, and some software functions for an automatic drafting that is even more effective. For many denim companies in Asia, South America and beyond, the label marker has become a must-have machine. In addition to saving time compared to printing the graphic to be positioned on the stretched mattress, you also save paper and ink, both for economic reasons and in order to protect the environment, an aspect that companies are very sensitive to nowadays. Polaris 908 is the latest model of labeling machine that, compared to the previous series, boasts greater speed and precision, as well as a software update that allows the operator to have many more functions on label positioning, which can be done automatically by the program or by the operator, who can choose the exact point to place it. Lastly, automatic cutting. Our cutting machines are developed for the denim and composite sectors, the 919 and the 70H version and the 920 Typhoon with 7000 RPM blade motor. The two cutting machines are specifically designed for composite materials, and the combination of hardware and software guarantees production reliability. These models work with zero buffer placements. They are equipped with a new designed graphic interface with touch icons, automatic recognition of symmetries and common lines, and the possibility to enable path harmonization. The operator can also independently manage the notches by converting the shape, size, and choose whether to make them in the last minute or before the perimeter. Typhoon is the most complete machine in the IMA range. Designed with a very solid and robust structure, it can withstand very demanding workloads. All of this is possible thanks to a series of specifically designed hardware and software components. The bridge with gantry technology moves on racks instead of belts. The Siemens double turbine guarantees constant pressure during material processing. The so-called intelligent blade is equipped with sensors that analyze in real time the blade effort to interact in real time on the working parameters in order to guarantee an even cutting quality from the first to the last sheet. The blade lubrication system makes it possible to increase the number of sheets by up to 50%, especially with materials characterized by a low melting temperature. All these components make Typhoon the perfect machine for cutting composite materials such as denim. And now, I leave the floor to the testimonials of our customers.
IMA machine performance is so excellent. It is so good. I think IMA machine performance is so better, and it will support to us excellently.
My impression about IMA machines is so excellent.
Also better, it's cut to very a small part accurately, and that's why we can.
I did not expect such good results in such a short time.
And we give with better quality. And IMA service team also so good.
Also, the production quality and accuracy is so good.
We call to the IMA service team. IMA service people, they immediately come to us if they
Better than hand knife.
To over phone or any other. Overall, IMA is an excellent service team. IMA have an excellent service team. IMA production quality and production is also so good. When we are using this machine.
We spread and cut composite materials without any problems with IMA machines.
We increase our productivity rapidly. From the previous time we used the bend knife, but we are facing so many problems. After using the IMA machine, we solve our maximum problem will be solved, and we will giving the accurate quality with better production, so much production giving. So we are happy to IMA.
And IMA customer service is fantastic too, with immediate response when we call.
Thanks to IMA.
Good morning. My name is Shaikh Faisal Kadri, and I am IMA auto cutter operator in the Artistic Fabric company. IMA Typhoon model is a very good cutter, and the performances are very good. Our production has increased compared to manual production, and Typhoon is giving an output production of 6,000 to 7,000 pieces in one single shift of 8 to 10 hours. So we encourage all customers to buy IMA auto cutter for denim. Thank you. Hi, I'm Ramesh from the maintenance department in Viga Auto Accessories in India. We manufacture motorcycles, safety helmets, and helmet accessories. We have IMA 919 10cm series auto cutter machine. With this machine, we cut from 10,000 to 12,000 pieces in a day. By using this machine, we increased our productivity with good quality. The machine is very good, and the customer service of IMA had a very good and quick response. Thank you.
Eccoci di nuovo insieme a nome di tutti.
Here we are, back together. On behalf of all team members, I thank you for your attention, hoping that this webinar has been interesting and has given you some more food for thought about new solutions. Now we all take the opportunity to wish you happy holidays, as they will start soon. The year is coming to an end, so give you my best wishes, and I'll see you in 2021 with the hashtag 45 years as protagonists. Happy holidays again, best wishes.